Investors continue to estimate possible changes in the Fed's policy. Yesterday, the Fed chair did not clear up the issue. That's why traders expect to find some hints in the Powell speech today. Against the backdrop, the US dollar got stuck. Yesterday, US bond yields showed a sharp drop to 4.519% from a 4.610%, reaching the lowest level since September 27. That's why investors do not expect any key rate hikes. What's more, they suppose that the Federal Reserve will cut it in the near future. It's quite possible that the debt market will continue to influence the currency market sentiment today. And the fact is that the 30-year bond auction will take place soon. Changes in this Treasury yield are much more important. Notably, the yield may also slump. Meanwhile, the publication of the US employment claims figures will hardly affect the situation. The number of initial claims may increase by just 3,000, whereas the number of continuing claims may add 4,000. On the other side of the Atlantic Ocean, monetary policy officials unexpectedly switched to a hawkish stance. Thus, Chancellor of Governors of the European Central Bank, Robert Holtzmann, emphasized the necessity of monitoring inflation and his readiness to insist on a further key rate hike. Notably, last month, the European Central Bank kept the benchmark rate unchanged, and such rhetoric boosted traders' interest. Under the current conditions, the euro increased against the US dollar, exceeding the level of 1.0700. As a result, the single currency recovered by about 50% after the recent decrease. However, the overall situation is almost the same. The control levels allocated at 1.0650 and 1.0750. The price settlement beyond either level may point to further movement, which could be accompanied by speculative swings. The pound sterling also recouped some losses against the greenback. Thus, the quote climbed above 1.2270. However, the overall sentiment remained bearish. If the price settles below 1.2270, the pound sterling may shrink to 1.2200. The upward scenario will be considered by traders if the pair breaks the support level of 1.2270 and surpasses 1.2300. And that's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.